that out.
You think it's a 335?
Fuck, turn around, let's find out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a 335.
Check that out.
That's wild. I always see 328.
Huh?
Sale. Needs transmission.
Oh, fuck. Is that a price on it?
240,000 miles.
It's been around the town.
It's an auto.
Beige interior.
Dude, it looks good. It's lowered too.
Looks like it had an exhaust on it. Yeah, it's got a little something on it.
It has ST coilovers on it.
What? It's got a couple things done to it.
It's straight pipe.
Shit, you might find yourself something.
Dude, I've owned too many of these. As a man, there's two great things to see on the side of the road. Cars for sale and prostitutes.
Oh yeah. Got a price? No.
Call him. Should I call him?
Yeah, call that motherfucker. See how
Well, I really don't need to be doing this right now.
See how much he wants.
What's going on, man? So we just drove by your BMW here on the side of the road. I was just wanting to get more information on it and like how much you were asking for it.
Doesn't drive too well, but I was looking to get about 3,000 for it.
Okay, so $3,000 you were asking for it. And what's going on with the transmission? I've seen it said on the sign that it has a bad trans.
Yeah, it's originally my dad's car. We don't really drive it much because of the transmission. But can I give you a call back like an hour and a half? I'm in like a Zoom meeting for work.
Oh, all right. Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah, just give me a call when you can.
All right.
All right, appreciate it. Guess we're gonna wait for him to give us a call back. He's wanting $3,000 for it, but it sounds like he just wants to get rid of it though.
Sounds like he's willing to negotiate.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him $1,000. All right, we got the guy calling me back right now.
Hello?
Hey, what's going on, man?
So I was talking to my dad about it.
Right.
What would you be offering?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, I've gotten other 335s for about $1,000 with similar issues like this where the transmission is slipping or something that needs to be replaced. So yeah, I mean, I was probably at around $1,000 for it.
My dad was wanting to get like around 2,000 at least.
Right. Would you want to meet in the middle at 1,500? I'll run by the bank first thing in the morning, and whenever you have time tomorrow, I can come by and pick it up for, you can meet in the middle at 1,500.
Let me just talk to my dad about it. I think he can do it with 1,500, but let me just verify that with him first.
I mean, okay, yeah, that sounds good. Just like I said, I can hit the bank first thing in the morning, and I'll be there at whatever time to pick up the car.
All right, sounds good. Let me just talk to my dad about it, and I'll shoot you a text in like 30 minutes.
Cool. Sounds good, man. Just let me know.
All right.
Bye. I think he's gonna do it. It is the next day after seeing the car. The owner of it. Oh, did they give me a pen? They didn't even give me a pen. Sorry, do you mind if I get a pen?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. Just had a bomb in there one time. Imagine how many free 335s we can get. So I'm taking out the cash for our 335. I'm like ashamed of myself at this point. This will be my 6th 335. Now, there's some things you just can't say no to. Imagine you're just like, boom. Here we go. More poor decisions I've made in my life. They always say, Wyatt, leave some $1,000 BMWs for the rest of us. No. This right here can get you the finest automobile this world has ever made. So now that we got our money, we have to go to the house and drive back our sweet, no trans having 335. All right, we are taking her home. The first startup. I didn't even drive it, test drive it, test start it. I didn't do nothing. I got faith in my 335s, all right? $1,000. We got a steering wheel, a car that turns on, and it's an iDrive screen. You can't ask for any more. You really can't ask for any more. Actually, I could ask for a working transmission, but we're not getting that. Sorry to interrupt the video. You've heard me talk about him once. You're gonna hear me talk about him again. Carly, one of the greatest things to have as a car owner. I've already coded and used this a bunch on my F80, so we're gonna pull in my friend Stefan's X7 real quick to plug this in, check out the options with this. So once you get on the Carly app, you're going to want to go ahead and select what vehicle you have. So in this case, we have an X7. So boom, right there, we have our X7 pulled up. Carly does all diagnostics on cars. So it reads more than just the DME like most code readers. So this is going to read the FEM and pretty much every single module that's within your car. It'll let you know if there's an error within that. So the first thing we'll do is go ahead and check for issues on the X7. 85 issues, Stefan.
Hell yeah.
What do you got going on, brother? So in that case, Carly has a smart mechanic feature where if you click on one of the codes, it actually tells you on how to go about diagnosing it. So now that all the codes on the X7 are clear now, the coolest option about Carly, other than the diag part of it, is the coding. We're gonna go ahead and fire up the coding section of Carly to check out all the possibilities on this car. We finished up all the coding on this, so now every single time you leave and enter the vehicle, we get the nice M display on here. We also coded out all the seatbelt chimes. A huge one that I make sure I do with Carly on all my cars is the start stop. Every single time you get to a stoplight, the car shuts off. I absolutely hate that, so we coded that out. If you are interested in coding or using this for diag, make sure to hit the link in the top of the description to check out Carly. So make sure you use code Wyatt when purchasing a Carly. Thank you to Carly for sponsoring today's video. Remember, he said baby it now. Doing a full rip. Oh, she's muddy. Oh, no, she ain't. It slipped right there. Hey, it gets down. Okay, yep, the transmission's fucked. It just neutral dropped. Alright, I gotta be easy on it. Let's just make it back. It is doing this weird thing when I'm just kind of coasting. Almost like it doesn't know what gear to go in. But it also is Pride Month, so I understand if it doesn't know what it wants to be. See, it's doing it. It's doing the trans thing. It's just dropping gears. Transmission malfunction. Need to get transmission. Like, now. Like, right now. It's not shifting anymore. It's not shifting. It won't shift. See if a good old off and on works. Oh, it's running rough. Oh yeah, she's not doing all right. It's misfiring. Well, I don't have an option. We got to get back. Oh my God, everything is shaking. Oh my God. $1,000 gets you right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Thing's clean. Look at that. Shit.
It's already got oily.
Yeah.
It's 54.
That's how they come. 240,000 miles. It's just now breaking in on its 6th motor. Yep. This thing's only missing 2 things: tint and a 70 mil turbo. It looks like he maybe tried to dye this black. The whole door card moves. This is blue. I don't know why this is blue right here. That's also concerning. In the trunk though, he gave us the catted downpipes and a bunch of other stuff. Past maintenance. This is more maintenance than this car is ever gonna get. It's in this booklet. He had the Amish work on it. I thought Amish didn't believe in technology.
They're Mennonites.
Oil change. Dude, he did an oil change.
If you lube.
Let's go.
Yeah,
I do those once a motor.
Oh, yeah, there you go. The motherfucker got the window sticker.
Oh my God, the window sticker.
It was what, like 50 grand retail, right?
$47,000. This is the most expensive car I've ever bought.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's more than I paid for the F80.
Fuck that F80.
This is huge. The fact that the maintenance records is this thick, it's a good sight to see.
She got the Steptronic on her.
This thing got all the bells and whistles. It definitely makes the bell noise in there.
Got the Logic 7 sound system. Back 2007, this thing was fucking flexing on some hoes.
I'm telling you. Wait, I'm not right now?
Oh. Was this original owner? It said it was sold to Russell BMW in Baltimore.
It was his dad's. I wonder if that's his dad.
It probably is. He's probably a second owner.
2015, he still had the car. 2014, dude, 2010, and it's still him. I might be the second owner. It's like that one meme, it's like first owner. It's like a classic businessman, second owner.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm the second owner. Second owner. Dude, it sounds kind of cool like that. We're gonna pull it into Frank's shop. We're gonna run the BMW software that they use at the dealer on this. And we're gonna check out all the codes and everything that's wrong with it. It's definitely gonna be a very long list. I'm impressed. Only 37 full. I'm actually very, very impressed.
There's your misfire.
Cylinder 5, cylinder 6 misfire.
There's a transmission issue right there. It says gear ratio monitoring. That means your transmission is fucked.
Well, I could have told you that one. I think anyone could have told you that. Dude, when we pulled up, I thought this was sun faded blue. It's wrapped. Oh my God, I want to take it off. I hate black. I hate roofs that are wrapped black. Full VRSF race exhaust. Dude, I'm really happy about my purchase here.
This is a VRSF exhaust?
Yep.
I can tell by the rust.
Well, after pulling over about 10 times to clear the transmission code out, we finally made it back to the shop with the car. So obviously the first thing we have to do with this car is swap out the trans, because this one, after 240,000 miles, just surprisingly enough, is whooped. I got a new transmission last night for the car, and I'm gonna take this time while we have a bad trans to do something I think every single one of us has probably wanted to do. All right, we're going 60. Oh, there's smoke behind me. Oh yeah. All right, well now that this transmission is officially done for, we'll go ahead and pull her out. Yeah! There she is.
One gorilla versus one man. 100 men. Shit.
Here's our bed of bone, fully built transmission. It was built back in 2007. So we're about to throw this big old unit up in there. Swapped out the whole trans and we fired it up and we heard this absolutely insane sound. So I'm hoping it's a starter, because the first time we tried to start it, it didn't work. So I'm hoping that the starter like stuck out and it was just hitting, and that's why I was making that crazy sound. So here is a new to us starter right here I'm gonna throw in. Hopefully that's it. Starting to think 335s hate me. Get it? And yeah. Starter. Yeah. Starter. Thanks guys. Brand new starter. I'm trying to hear no whining, no grinding, just flying. Come on, baby. Wow, that sounds worse. Something in the transmission is not installed correctly.
No, something is not lined up right. And we gotta pull it for the third time.
This flex plate that goes in the trans might be bent when we were shoving it in there. The only thing this makes contact with is the starter, and I think it's just grinding on the starter the whole time. So I think this is warped, the one I have in there. That is the third and hopefully final time I have to take out this transmission. Well, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, and the third time I've put in this transmission. When I start this car, if it grinds again, I'm deleting the YouTube channel. First time backing out of the shop with the new transmission. The car doesn't move. 4 times! Removed it 4 times! Someone explain this to me. Actually, I'll explain it right to you. I was given a bad transmission. Well, I just went and picked up a transmission this morning, and I had to remove the other transmission for the 4th time. So what you're looking at here
What's this one?
Is the trans. I drove 2.5 hours to get this morning. I can't even believe this, guys. I really can't. A lot of you guys tell me to upload more. I'm trying. Yeah. I'm trying.
Then shit like this happens.
I'm trying. This shit happens almost every single video we film. The only good takeaway from this whole thing is I can put in and out of a trans very quickly. Yeah, I'm the trans man. I am a trans. Wait.
Whoa, hold on.
About to run it through the gears. This has officially been probably the worst experience I've ever had working on a car. I heard it. I heard it go into reverse. Here we go. The first attempt to move the car. It's moving. It's moving. Thank you, God. Oh my God. Alright, easy, what is it? They recommend like take it easy for the first 300 miles?
Right? Something like that. Sounds like a fucking tractor.
Dude, it sounds like a straight up tractor.
My feet are vibrating.
Oh my God, it's so loud.
Yeah.
They're turbos, you can hear them.
Yes, sir. that. Whoop. Yeah. Boy, spin it a little bit.
Little stock too.
Shit.
The turbo sounds
Dude.
crazy when you just have downpipes on.
That zone is nuts.
Yes, sir. Student driver. Let's teach him how to drive. Class in session.
That'll do it.
You got it. You got it. How you doing?
Hello.
Would you guys be interested in buying a BMW? Are you guys interested in buying a BMW? I'm selling this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take care. Call me if you want it. My light turned green. We almost made a sale right there.
Is that Ford?
No.
Oh, okay.
We got AC going on. Check us out. AC flowing, idling better than ever. Life is great. Next stop, Flagship Car Wash. Let's get this thing a little wiped down. You like my ride here?
Yeah, that thing sounds fucking
I got it for $1,000 today.
$1,000?
Look,
Are you shitting?
and I drove here.
How many miles was it at?
240,000.
That is kind of high, and the exhaust smells bad.
There is no exhaust. That's the problem.
Oh.
No exhaust at all. Now my next question is, would you buy it for $6 grand?
$6 grand?
The hands right there.
If I had $6 grand, I don't even have 600. That's the thing. They don't pay me enough to afford it.
Look, I hear you, brother.
Fix the exhaust first, then we'll talk, right?
Yeah, I got you. Boy, it had a bad trans. You know how bad trans get. Yeah, they get real bad. They get a little touchy. This thing has the rain pour effect. Feel it.
Hey, yo.
What? It's the rain pour effect.
You're a maniac. Woo! We're in the club with it. Get the car wash with it. What you do about it?
Oh, let me wipe this in. Yes, sir. That's how you get her done.
That thing does
That's a
look pretty
cool
good.
looking watch. What's our investment here? I spent $1,500 on the car, $200 on a trans. I registered the car for $248. So we're like
$2 grand.
$2 grand in.